OMR 26, 6 Stages, über 800 Speaker, mehr als 70.000 Menschen. Let's go!
All of the key stakeholders are here, so everyone's coming together. It's the center of the European economy, which is very important for us at Klarna.
It goes across the corporate identity of Germany. You have a lot of startup companies, but you have also traditional corporates. For us as a bank, it's a fantastic opportunity to connect.
It's really a pleasure to be here for the third time. It's a good place to talk about finance policy. I love to be on stage here.
It was amazing, such a good energy, such a good crowd. It's always great to connect with colleagues and meet people, especially backstage.
I think it's the density of the people we meet, of the companies, the ambition that we see as well. It really helps us capture next trends and how we are moving forward.
Finance is changing rapidly, so there's a lot of stuff to discuss. Agentic commerce on the rise, neo-brokers shaking up the markets.
Stable coins, crypto, AI. There's a lot of knowledge sharing, interesting exchanges.
I would argue it's the biggest and most iconic digital gathering on the continent.